Well, welcome back, folks. I'm glad you're joining me this afternoon. It is April the 21st. It is the first day of spring turkey season here in Arkansas. I didn't take off today. First off, I thought it was going to be bad weather, but it ended up being an absolutely beautiful day. Some of my friends, they were able to connect with turkeys early this morning. So I'm happy for them, and if you were able to go out and had success this morning, congratulations to you. But I'm back over here on my home stomping grounds this afternoon. It's 4 o'clock, and I'm just easing across the pasture, going back to where I do a lot of deer hunting and where I do turkey hunting too, to see if I could have some luck over here, hear something. Stick with me. Maybe we'll get over here and get after one. If we do, thanks for being with me. Let's go turkey hunting. All right, folks. This is why it's very important to have a good pair of optics. I got down here in the woods to where I was wanting to go. I'm just easing through here. I look down and I see a gobbler down there strutting. So I've got the camera and everything set up. He's scratching. I'm fixing to start calling. That didn't happen fast. I don't know what. still right there. Let's go. Let's go. They don't know what to do. They just lost their best friend. They're still right there strutting. I'm so glad y'all got to be with me on this epic hunt. Again, if you don't carry good optics in the woods with you, deer hunting, turkey hunting, you're missing out, because you're probably not seeing a lot of animals by taking your time and using them. I would have just walked right through the woods and busted those up and never got an opportunity. But I took my time, used my binoculars, and saw them strutting down there in the woods, backed up, got set up, and was able to harvest one of those birds. So, I mean, they're still right there. I'm just enjoying this. You don't have this happen very often. Alright, I've been sitting here for at least 30 minutes. I still can't go get my bird that's laying 20 yards away, because those other two turkeys are still down there in the woods about 50 yards now. They finally made it about 50 yards, and I can still hear them spitting and drumming. But I think I said it last time. Woodhaven Ninja Hammer, I think, has helped me kill, I don't know how many birds, but it's been a bunch. So if you don't have a Ninja Hammer or some kind of Woodhaven call, which by the way, Dog and Hunt supply in Quitman, Arkansas, through Lance and Summer and Roe Reynolds. They carry Woodhaven products. You've got to get in touch with them and get you some of these calls. It's unbelievable. Sooner or later, I'm going to be able to get over there to that bird and give y'all a better look at it. But anyway, I'm hid here pretty good. I know it doesn't seem like it in my backdrop, but I've got the shade on me. Got briars right here beside me. So I had a pretty good hide, and I had to get to it quick. I mean quick, because as soon as I saw them, or I didn't know there was 3 of them. I thought there was just one. And I got back here and got everything set up and the cameras turned on. And I called. They were on top of me in a second. But as I was coming to the woods, I was just super duper lightly clucking. You don't want to go nuts, especially in the afternoon when you're trying to locate one. You just need to slip along. If you're going to call, hit some really soft clucks. And that's what happened. We'll go get him here in just a few minutes. Thanks for being with me. hold him. All right, able to slip down there and get him. A good turkey. He's got about a, I don't know, 10.5 inch beard, about 3/4 inch spurs, maybe almost close to an inch long. I'm gonna get him back up here, and there's a log that might be familiar to some of y'all that I had a turkey on a few years ago, and I'm gonna see about putting him on that and getting a few more pictures. Oh. Well, I don't know if you can see me, but well, folks, that's a very successful hunt. I appreciate you being with me. There's nothing like being out in the spring turkey woods and taking advantage of opportunities that we're given through our Game and Fish Commission. But I don't take for granted being able to come out here and do this stuff. So if you get a chance, get out there in those spring woods, take advantage of some spring turkey hunting. I hope all of you have a lot of success, and I'll see you next time on Big Johnson Outdoors.